Okay, so I have a simple little experiment in this video for you. Something I've wondered about on several occasions. The question is, when you're starting seeds and you have your little pots full of your soil starting mix, whatever it may be, does it matter whether you lightly pack it in there or cram it in there to get as much as possible into the little pots? I tend to always hear whenever I'm watching other people give instructions about how to start seeds, I always hear them say, gently pat the soil into the pots or something like this. And they say it's because this will allow for the roots to freely go through the soil mix and yada yada yada. I'm not too convinced by that. You take that light fluffy soil mix, which is what most people start in their little pots, of course, and you cram as much as you can get into it without breaking the pots, of course. And so it'll be very tight, but it's still soil mix. And as long as that soil mix is hydrated, it would seem to me like more is better, because it also contains your fertilizers, whatever was built into the soil mix, and of course just your moisture in general. So the more you have in there, the better it should be able to retain moisture, right? And those soil particles are super light and fluffy whenever it's made out of coconut core and stuff like that. I don't see how you can overpack it practically, as long as it's well hydrated. So that's what I'm going to put to the test. So you see they get some shade, sun, shade, sun, and it's constantly shifting all day long. It keeps them cool. I have the smash side on the left and the no smash side on the right. So it'll be interesting to see if there's any difference in these. I think the results from the smash side versus the no smash side are in, and they seem to clearly indicate favoring the no smash side for whatever reasons. The seedlings in here much healthier overall looking. There's less of them that have died. That one's a little wimpy. One has died there on the no smash side, and this one's gotten a little trouble from a pest. These ones are looking a little unhealthy over here. But on the other side, the smash side, you see 1, 2, 3, 4 dead ones, and the rest of them, 3 or 4 really unhealthy looking ones. So 11 out of 16 on the smash side look like they might be viable seedlings, but 15 out of 16 on the no smash side seem to be viable and overall healthier than the other side. So that is the lesson. Apparently the seedlings prefer to not have the coconut core soil mix really crammed in the pots whenever they are growing.